Want to use two apps side by side on Windows 11? Whether you are working, studying, or multitasking, I'll show you 3 easy ways to split your screen in just a few clicks. Let's get started. Hello everyone, welcome back to Hello Helper. In this video, I'll show you how to split your screen on Windows 11 using keyboard shortcut, snap layouts, and drag and drop. First method, open the apps you want to use. So this is my Google Chrome browser and I want to use keyboard shortcut first. So press window key and left arrow and you will see that this screen is moved left side. The window snaps to the left side. Now select the second window and it will automatically fill the right side. You can also press window key plus right key to snap a window to the right. Like this, okay? This is the fastest way to split your screen. Method 2. Snap layouts. Move your mouse over the maximize button on the right corner, okay? You will see different snap layout options. Choose the layout you want. Your current window snap into place. Now click another open window to fill the remaining space. You can even choose layout of 3 or 4 windows like this. Method 3. Drag and snap. Click and hold the title bar of the window. Drag it to left or right edge of the screen. Now release the mouse and window snap into place. Then choose another window to fill the empty side. If your split screen isn't working, then you can simply follow this step. Open settings. And now friends, search here multitasking. Here you will see multitasking settings. So simply click on it. And make sure snap window is turned on. So friend, here you can see that snap window. You must enable these things, okay? If this showing like this, you simply click on this turn on. After that, your split screen feature will work. That's how you split your screen on Windows 11. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to Hello Helper and we will see you in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.